I'm so glad to meet you here. So glad to have your presence to our live show. Okay, so today we are introducing some hot items of this year. Now I'd like to introduce one by one. Okay, first, okay, this one. Then I will give each item a number. So let's give this one number 1. This one. Okay, you can see this size I think is very suitable. And of course we have big size in different color. Okay, so this is number 1. If you are interested, please mark down the item number, the serial number, or a screenshot, please. Okay, so let's go on. Number 2. This is number 2. This is very typical Nordic style plant and enjoys very popular sales. Now this one, you can see this one. We also have different color for this one. Now I just show you one color, number 3. So once again, if you are interested, please give me a screenshot or mark down the serial number. So with pot. Okay, maybe also we can show some details. Okay. Okay, now you can see this is some vases for plant or flowers. This material is fiberglass. Actually, we are specialized in flowers and trees. This is not our main business. One of our friends who make this, now they are doing only domestic market. So if you are interested, also we will help our friend to introduce this to you. Yes, this is fiberglass. You can see. So it's not so heavy. See the stem. Of course, I'm very strong. Okay. So I think it's very good for decoration. And we have different style of vases, different style like this, and I think the color and the design very, contemporary, very contemporary. You can see this is the vase. So if you are interested in this vase, flower plant pot, we can do. The material is fiberglass. It's very popular for decoration, I think. So also you can see behind me here, this series also is very nice. You can see here. This series also very popular. Contemporary design. Okay, so let's go on. Okay, let's go on. Maybe we can do this series. We have four sizes. Four sizes. Okay, let's start from the small one. Okay, this is the small one. By 2. The trunk is by 2. This one, the height is 36 inch, around 66 centimeters. This one, by 2. And you can see this one, the trunk, the color looks very natural, very natural. This one, you can see. And also with some dried grass here. As it's very popular. This year's also for grass items we sell a lot. And this is the new one for this year. So this one, I would like to give you a number for this one. Okay, this one is number 4 for the small size. Number 4. Okay, and then number 5 for this one. Okay, this one, number 5. This series. Okay, maybe we don't show you one by one all this. I just tell you the size of this one. Number 5, the size is 48 inch. 48 inch, this one. And for this one, also, this is by 3. And so this is number 6. Number 6, the height is 60 inch. Also by 3. This is by 3. And the biggest with 4 trunks. 4 trunks. Okay, I take down here. This is number 4. I think this should be number 7. Okay, this is number 7 by trunk with 4 trunks. You can see this trunk, the color looks very natural. Especially you can see some dried leaves. So I think it's very, very nice item this year. It is very new. So I hope you can enjoy this. Okay, please mark down and remember to give me a screenshot. Okay, so let's go on. Okay, let's see this one, this series. You can see we have 3 sizes here, 3 sizes. The small one, I will give the number for this one, the small one. Number 8. Number 8 is for this one, but with 2 trunks. And you can see here some root here. So it looks very natural. Some root here. Okay, this is number 8. Number 8. And then another size. This size actually not a very big difference, but this one with only one trunk for this one, with only one trunks, and with this one with only 4 leaves. But you can see, this is a very good design. The shape looks very nice. It's very simple, while looks very nice. So this one, number 9, this one, number 9. One trunk with some root here. Then number 10 with 2 trunks here, with 2 trunks. You can see the height is around 125 centimeters. Okay. This is number 10. Number 10, this one. Okay. So you can see also the leaves of this one, the back side of this leaf. You can see with printing, not simple green. So it looks very nice. And you know, we also paint the trunks, so to make it look very natural. Okay, so let's move to next one. Okay, maybe. Okay, let's go to this group. You can see this group, I see, is also very natural one and very popular. This series, very popular. Okay, you can see these two. These two are the same. With 25 leaves. This is our promotional items with very favorable and competitive price for these two. So I would like to give a number for these two with 2 colors. And this one is number 11. Number 11 with 2 colors. One green, one with brown here, the center here, brown, and while this one is green. So this one, number 11 with 2 colors, Okay, so we can move to next one. Okay, let's see these two. These two. Okay, let's see the small. You can see the color looks very natural with flocky effect. You can see. Okay, just compare these two. Okay, 2 size. This is trunk but 2, and also with dried leaves here. So this one. Okay, for the small size, number 12, and this one with 2 trunks, 13. If you are interested, please give me a big shot, okay? So this, I see the color is very nice, fluffy white. Okay, so let's move on.